Are you worrying about the possibility that you have foundation damage and can't afford costly peering? Don't bury your head in the sand. If your home is starting to move, get a handle on it. If you can't afford to fix it now, you can at least learn to stop it from getting worse. Even if you have been told by foundation repair salesmen that you need costly repairs, that doesn't make it so. The most important thing to remember is that if you haven't experienced a major earthquake, mudslide, or sinkhole under your home, there's a very good chance that you do not need costly repairs right now. Most likely, you are experiencing upheaval and need to identify the moisture sources, correct it, and allow the soil to dry before you consider any additional repairs. I am an independent foundation repair consultant. I am not affiliated with any company involved with the foundation repair industry. I charge a flat fee for my expert advice, and I do not profit from any recommendations I may make or repairs you may need. I make my living by being honest and straightforward. I make money by being your advocate and saving you money, relieving your stress, and relying on you to provide me to your friends, neighbors, and relatives. Find out what is wrong, what you can do, what can be done about it, and how much it should cost. It will give you peace of mind. Remember, the cure to stress is to understand the problem. I have been in this business for over 36 years and feel confident enough with my knowledge that my guarantee to you is, if I can't help you, you don't pay me. That's right. If I don't provide you with the information you need, you don't pay me. Period. What do you have to lose?